echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Already Polish mortals, please drag your bodies away from the walls.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding. Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge. To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your loved one by the hand, please, and mind yourself. Oh yes, and no imaginations, please. These spirits are highly sensitive.
On the safety bar, please. I will now report. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Shh. Listen.
riders, tail of a rat. All the winds and the spirits, wherever they're at. Craft on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Greetings and
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for it. Swing, wait. Don't expect they're assembling. I'll see you all a little later.
Happy thoughts materialize. I begin to vocalize with rainbows come out to Close your eyes and don't try to hide it for a city's food makes it hard for sight.
Just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our program, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us. Make final arrangements now. We've been dying to have you. Be sure to bring your death certificate